welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you one of the best camera setting for iPhone. After that, you will click amazing videos and pictures on your iPhone. So let's start the video. Open settings of your iPhone, then scroll down and open camera settings. After that, tap on formats and here on default it is set at high efficiency, but you have to change this from high efficiency to most compatible for better images and higher version of images quality. Now the second thing you have to do is turn on this Pro RAW and resolution. Here set this Pro RAW Max up to 48 megapixel. It is only available in 14 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max. After turning this Pro RAW option, here is the Pro RAW option in the camera app. RAW Max, you can also turn on and turn off this option in the settings and in the camera app too. So it is not that difficult to turn on or turn off again and again. After that, turn on Apple ProRes mode. It also helps in capturing better images for iPhone. The next thing you have to do is open preserve settings, then turn on camera mode, turn off macro control and also turn on this night mode. Here in the end, turn on Pro RAW and resolution control as well. Apple ProRes is already on and I will on there as well. So these settings are also important for a camera in iPhone. Here in the second layer, turn on grid, level and mirror front camera options. Mirror front camera options do not turn or flip your photos while taking pictures in mirror. So it is also a useful one. After that, here is the option of photographic styles. You can select any style you want. For example, there is an option of standard, vibrant, warm, cool, etc. So you can select on the will of yourself. Here turn on prioritize faster shooting if it is turned off. After that, also turn on this macro control and lens correction if these two options are turned off. There is another very useful trick for camera app. Most of the users tap here to avail these features. You can also tap or flip your finger like this and avail these features here. You don't have to go there at the up and simply flip your finger like this and avail these all features in your camera mode. So after all the setting, I will show you the result as well. Here is the picture without this setting and this is the picture after the setting. So you can see the difference. There's a very much difference between these two pictures. And you can also click very good and amazing pictures and videos of yourself by setting all these settings in your iPhone camera. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.